Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay someone on Splitwise. Splitwise is a popular expense tracking and bill splitting app that allows you to easily split bills with friends and family. To pay someone on Splitwise, follow these steps. First, open the Splitwise app and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or Facebook. Once you are logged in, you will see a list of your groups and friends. To pay someone, navigate to the group or friend you want to pay and click on the Settle Up button. This will take you to a page where you can see the amount you owe and the payment methods available. Choose your preferred payment method, such as PayPal, Venmo, or bank transfer. Enter the amount you want to pay and add a note if you want to leave a message. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct. Once you have confirmed the payment, click the Pay button to complete the transaction. The payment will be processed and the recipient will receive a notification that they have been paid. It is essential to note that Splitwise does not charge any fees for paying someone, but the payment method you choose may have fees associated with it. Always review the fees before making a payment. Best practices for paying someone on Splitwise include keeping your account up to date, using the correct payment method, and leaving a note with the payment. This will help you keep track of your expenses and ensure that the recipient knows what the payment is for. In conclusion, paying someone on Splitwise is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily pay someone and keep track of your expenses. Splitwise is a convenient and secure way to split bills and pay friends and family, and it is available on both iOS and Android devices.